EDID Management. In the Settings interface, click EDID Management to configure the input and output resolution. Click the Input or Output tab to view the resolution of the input and output interfaces. Tick the checkbox in front of the interface whose resolution needs to be set, and you can choose a preset resolution or customize the resolution. And the frame rate can also be customized. Then click Apply to finish the EDID management setting.
EDID Advanced Setting. In the Settings interface, click EDID Management. Tick the Target Input or Output Card checkbox, and tick the Advanced to show the Advanced EDID configuration. The Advanced EDID configuration parameters explanation is shown in the pop-up figure. After setting, click Apply to complete the Advanced EDID configuration. Click Export below and select the path to export a configured EDID parameter file directly. Here we name it as demo, then save it. If we want to apply the EDID configuration file, we can click Browse, select the corresponding file and open it. Click Import. The parameters of the import configuration file will be automatically applied. Click Reset EDID, and the original EDID configurations will be restored and displayed. You can modify them again.